Welcome back to our channel. Imagine waking up every morning to cafe-quality espresso without leaving your kitchen. The DeLonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine is designed for coffee lovers who want perfection, convenience, and style in one compact machine. From freshly ground beans to a rich, aromatic crema, Rivelia transforms your daily coffee ritual into a luxurious experience. With intelligent technology, customizable drink options, and DeLonghi's legendary craftsmanship. Craft coffee shop favorites with just one touch. With one touch, grind, dose, brew, and froth your favorite coffee drinks. Switch between a full range of 18 preset recipes including latte, cappuccino, cortado, coffee, flat white, iced coffee, espresso, espresso over ice and more. Personalize to your taste. Take customization to the next level by adjusting the intensity, quantity, and amping up your cup with the extra shot function to explore the endless possibilities of all your favorite drinks. 2 removable bean hoppers effortlessly rotate different flavors into your coffee routine with 2 8.8 Oz interchangeable bean hoppers. Remove one and pop in the other to easily switch between bean types before they're freshly ground for every cup by the integrated, 13-setting burr grinder. Rivelia's bean switch system lets you easily swap from a robust dark roast in the morning to a delicate decaf in the afternoon. Automatic milk frother instantly froth milk or plant-based alternatives into velvety smooth hot foam with the included latte crema hot system complete with auto-clean function. Upgrade to add a cold foam experience with the Latte Crema Cool accessory available exclusively on delonghi.com. Eliminate guesswork with step-by-step guidance. Expertly set and automatically save the ideal grind, dose level and temperature for all of your favorite bean types with a simple guided, visual walkthrough that leaves guesswork behind. In the end, the DeLonghi Rivelia automatic espresso machine proves that great coffee doesn't have to be complicated. With its smart features, elegant design, and consistently delicious results, it's an excellent choice for anyone who values quality and convenience. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.